Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix you cannot watch certain series or movies on Netflix. Now, if you are facing the problem of not being able to watch the movies or series on Netflix which are above 12 plus, 16 plus or 18 plus, then you may be facing some such problems on a Netflix account. So make sure to watch this video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now, if you are facing such problems, then you need to simply connect to Google. You need to simply connect to Wi-Fi or any type of mobile data on a device. So after that, you need to open any type of web browser which you think is suitable for you. So let's say if I want to open Netflix through Google Chrome, then I'll simply click on Chrome. So you may select the web browser of your choice. So after that, this screen will appear in device. Before that, it may appear the sign in page. So simply sign in to your account to continue with Netflix. So after doing that, you will see the option of three straight lines at the very top left side of the screen. Click on it and you will see the option of account, help center, and so on. So click on the option of account, and there you will see the account in which you want to change the maturity settings or viewing restriction. It may be enabled on a device, so it may you will be facing such problems. So you need to click on the option of change, which is next to viewing restriction, and you need to enter your password for your account and click on the option of continue. Now, profile match rating for the account, you'll see the option of all 7 plus, 13 plus, 16 plus, and 18 plus. Now, if you have enabled kids profile, then simply turn it off and click on the option of save. So after doing that, you'll be able to see all the video or all the movies or series which are more than 13 plus, 16 plus, 18 plus, and so on. So it means that all of your maturity ratings is turned on and you'll be able to see all the videos or movies which are only for the adults and so on. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.